My name is Lisbeth Lundgaard, and a few months back somebody asked me, well, Lisbeth, I know you're a reflector, but haven't you ever really been wondering about who you are? And Ra said at some point to a group of reflectors that you're never gonna find out who you are, so stop worrying about it, or something like that. I've been doing this self-development thing and reading all kinds of books and looking into who am I and stuff like that. But I'm not really consistent in the way my design is, and I haven't really been able to keep a focus on that. Um, it's been clear to me for many years that people, they don't really see me. Uh, yeah, 20 years ago, I was at a birthday party, and I was just chatting with this guy who was like really down because his parents were getting a divorce, and I just basically sat with him for a while. And then all of a sudden, obviously, I had said something, and he said, well, aren't your parents divorced? And I was like, no, they aren't. Well, you told me so. And then he told me all the things that I've apparently told him. And everything he said was not at all what I've been saying. Actually, I hadn't really said anything. I just sat with him and said small things. But all that he saw in me was all that he was. And he was like really angry with me, and I was just speechless. I didn't know what to say, and I didn't know what was going on. So, yeah, basically, that was kind of a turning point, and it got really clear to me that people don't see me. They see themselves in me, and I kind of just make fun of it and joke about I was just this chameleon that could be whatever everybody else were. But it's also been kind of sad that nobody's really been able to see me. So when I met Human Design, it was kind of a relief just to understand what was going on, because I hadn't a clue other than nobody saw who I were. So yeah, nobody sees me, and obviously I'm not gonna be able to see who I am. It's more interesting for me to know what I am, and I'm pretty clear on that one. To me, it's always been more interesting. Group dynamics has been very interesting, and just seeing what goes on around me and see how groups work, where the energy stagnates, how groups are moving. That's always been really interesting to me, and I've been pretty good at working with groups and making them move in the way that was appropriate at the time. So yeah, I'm never gonna know who I am. I know what I am, and that's kind of the most important thing for me. Yeah, so that was kind of it. Hope maybe it makes sense to you, maybe not. Anyways, thank you for listening. Bye.